Point 1: Discovering value investing, an early life journey. In the early days, Guy Spier, the author of The Education of a Value Investor, was just like any other young, ambitious individual with a keen interest in the stock market. His fascination with the financial world was ignited by his early life experiences, which laid the groundwork for his future career in finance. Spier's initial foray into the world of finance was on Wall Street, the heart of the financial world. However, his experiences there were far from fulfilling. He found himself disillusioned with the traditional Wall Street approach to investing, which seemed to prioritize profits over principles. This dissatisfaction became a turning point in his journey, prompting him to seek a more meaningful and ethical way to invest. Spier's quest for meaningful investing was driven by his desire to align his investment strategies with his personal values. He wanted his investments to make a positive impact, not just financial gain. This desire led him on a journey of discovery, which ultimately led him to the concept of value investing. Value investing, a strategy of buying stocks at less than their intrinsic value, resonated with Spier's desire for a more ethical and meaningful approach to investing. This concept marked a significant shift in his investment philosophy. Instead of chasing quick profits, he began to focus on finding undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and investing in them for the long term. This discovery of value investing had a profound impact on Spier's career and investment philosophy. It allowed him to align his investment strategies with his personal values and principles, leading to a more fulfilling and successful career in finance. In conclusion, the journey of discovering value investing is a transformative one. It's not just about learning a new investment strategy. It's about aligning your investment strategies with your personal values and principles. It's about making investments that not only yield financial returns, but also contribute positively to society. And for Guy Spier, this journey has been nothing short of enlightening. Point 2: Learning from the masters. Value investing lessons from Buffett and Munger. Once upon a time, Guy Spier, the author of The Education of a Value Investor, was just like any other investor, trying to navigate the tumultuous seas of the investment world. He was struggling, making mistakes, and learning the hard way. But then, he stumbled upon a transformative journey that would change his life forever. He began to learn from the masters, the titans of value investing, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Learning from the masters is not just about copying their strategies. It's about understanding their thought processes, their philosophies, and their principles. Buffett and Munger, for instance, have proven time and again that their strategies work. They've built empires, not by chasing quick profits, but by patiently investing in companies with strong fundamentals and a clear competitive advantage. Patience, as Buffett often says, is a virtue in investing. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a vehicle for building wealth over time. Buffett and Munger are known for their long-term thinking. They don't invest in a company based on its current performance alone. They look at its potential for growth in the next 10, 20, or even 30 years. Investing in companies with strong fundamentals is another key lesson from the masters. They don't just look at the numbers. They delve deeper into the company's business model, its products or services, its management, and its competitive advantage. They invest in companies they understand and believe in. Spier took these lessons to heart. He applied them in his own investment decisions. For instance, he invested in a company not because its stock price was rising, but because he believed in its long-term potential. He understood its business model, saw its competitive advantage, and was willing to wait for his investment to bear fruit. And bear fruit it did, proving the practicality and effectiveness of the lessons he learned from Buffett and Munger. But the transformative journey didn't stop there. Spier's approach to investing changed dramatically. He stopped chasing quick profits and started thinking long-term. He stopped investing in companies he didn't understand and started investing in companies he believed in. He realized that successful investing is not just about making money, it's about making wise decisions being patient, and staying true to your principles. Beyond financial wealth, Spier found wisdom and enlightenment. The principles he learned from Buffet and Munger have broader applications beyond investing. They can be applied in life decisions as well. For instance, the principle of patience can be applied in dealing with life's challenges. The principle of long-term thinking can be applied in planning for the future. The principle of investing in strong fundamentals can be applied in building relationships and pursuing careers. In conclusion, learning from the masters is a transformative journey. It's not just about making money. It's about gaining wisdom, enlightenment, and a new perspective on investing and life. So, why not embark on this journey? Learn from the masters, apply their principles in your investment decisions and life choices, and see how it transforms you, just like it transformed Guy Spier. Point 3. Building a value investment portfolio. Principles, strategies, and challenges. Imagine you're at a yard sale, sifting through piles of items, each with a price tag attached. You come across a beautiful antique clock, tagged at $10. You know that this clock, in its prime condition, is worth at least $100. This, my friend, is the essence of value investing, buying stocks that are undervalued, or in other words, on sale. Value investing is all about understanding a company's intrinsic value, which is its true inherent worth. It's like knowing that the antique clock is worth $100, even if it's being sold for $10. This understanding allows you to make informed decisions about which stocks to buy and at what price. Building a value investment portfolio is like curating a collection of these on-sale items. It's not just about picking any cheap stock, but about aligning your portfolio with your investment goals and risk tolerance. It's also about diversification, spreading your investments across different stocks to reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, not buying all the antique clocks at the yard sale, but also picking up some vintage books, old records, and rare coins. In his book, Guy Spier emphasizes 3 key principles in value investing: patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Patience is like waiting for the right yard sale to come along, where you can find items that are truly valuable but undervalued. Discipline is sticking to your plan of only buying items that are undervalued, even if everyone else is splurging on overpriced items. And long-term thinking is focusing on the intrinsic value of the items, rather than getting swayed by short-term price fluctuations. Spier's journey wasn't without challenges. He faced market volatility, made investment mistakes, and had to manage his emotions. But he overcame these challenges by sticking to his investment principles and learning from his mistakes. For instance, he once bought a stock without fully understanding the company's business model and ended up losing money. But he learned from this mistake and made it a point to thoroughly research a company before investing in it. In the world of value investing, mistakes are not failures, but learning opportunities. They are the stepping stones that lead to better investment strategies and a stronger portfolio. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, but make sure to learn from them. In conclusion, building a value investment portfolio is a journey that requires understanding the intrinsic value of stocks, aligning your portfolio with your investment goals, diversifying your investments, and sticking to the principles of patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. It's about facing challenges head-on, learning from your mistakes, and constantly striving to improve your investment strategies. Remember, it's not about finding the most items at the yard sale, but about finding the most valuable ones. Point 4. Reflecting on wealth, success, and life lessons. What does it mean to be wealthy? Is it just about having a fat bank account? Or is there more to it? In the education of a value investor, Guy Spier takes us on a journey that redefines wealth and success, intertwining it with the principles of value investing. Spier's journey as a value investor wasn't a smooth ride. He started off like many of us, chasing quick profits and getting burned in the process. But it was through these trials and tribulations that he discovered the importance of reflection. He realized that every setback was an opportunity to learn and grow, both as an investor and as a person. Reflection became his compass, guiding him through the turbulent waters of the stock market and life. Now, imagine you're at a farmer's market. You're looking for the best apples to make a pie. You don't just grab the first ones you see. You inspect them, weigh them in your hand, maybe even smell them. That's integrity in investing. It's about doing your due diligence, being honest with yourself about the risks, and making ethical decisions. Spier emphasizes that integrity is the cornerstone of long-term success in investing. It's not just about making money, but making it the right way. But even with integrity, mistakes are inevitable. That's where humility comes in. In one instance, Spier shares how he made a costly investment mistake because he let his ego get in the way. He didn't want to admit he was wrong. But this experience taught him the importance of humility and continuous learning. It's about acknowledging your mistakes, learning from them, and using that knowledge to improve. It's a never-ending cycle of growth and improvement. So, what is wealth? Is it just about the money? Spier challenges this traditional definition. To him, wealth and success are about personal growth, fulfillment, and making a positive impact on society. It's about living a balanced life that includes not just financial success, but also strong relationships, personal development, and contributing to society. Think of it like a balanced diet. You can't just eat sweets all the time. You need a mix of nutrients to stay healthy. Similarly, a fulfilling life isn't just about financial gain. It's about personal growth, meaningful relationships, and making a difference in the world. This broader perspective, Spier argues, leads to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So, as we navigate our own journeys, let's take a moment to reflect. What does wealth and success mean to us? Are we focusing solely on financial gain, or are we striving for a balanced, fulfilling life? As Spier's journey shows, the true value of investing and life lies in the journey, not just the destination. Point 5. Conclusion. Investing is not just about financial gain, but also about personal growth and wisdom. The journey to becoming a successful value investor requires a deep understanding of oneself and the market. It's not just about the numbers, but also about the psychology behind the decisions. Value investing is a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. It's about finding companies that are undervalued and investing in them, believing in their potential for growth. It's not about quick profits, but sustainable growth. The key to successful investing is not just knowledge, but also humility and the willingness to learn from mistakes. It's about constantly seeking wisdom and enlightenment and not being afraid to admit when you're wrong. Investing is not a solitary journey, but one that requires a community. It's about learning from others, sharing insights, and helping each other grow. It's about building relationships and trust, and not just about making money. In the end, the true value of investing is not just in the wealth it can bring, but in the person it can help you become. It's about becoming a better person, a better investor, and a better member of the community. It's about finding value not just in companies, but in people and in life.